In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Typeform shareable link as a simple landing page. Typeform doesn't build full standalone landing pages, but there's a quick, effective workaround that gets you most of what you need, using your form's shareable link as a mini landing page. If your goal is to collect responses, registrations, or quick feedback with a clean, focused experience, this approach is perfect. Start by opening your browser on your PC and heading over to typeform.com. Log into your account securely. Once you're in, open an existing form that you want to use, or create a new one if you don't have one yet. You don't need to overthink design at this stage. What matters is that the form captures the information you want. With your form open, look for the Share option. This is where Typeform gives you a public shareable URL for your form. Click Share, then copy the shareable link that appears. This link is the key to turning your form into a lightweight landing page. Open a new browser tab and paste that link into the address bar. Hit Enter and you'll see your Typeform load as a standalone page. This acts like a mini landing page. It has a dedicated URL, a clean layout, and a clear call to action: start the form. Visitors won't see your builder or dashboard, they'll just experience the form itself in a focused way. To make it feel more like a landing page, consider polishing the elements inside your form. A strong cover image, a concise headline on a welcome screen, and a short description can create a professional first impression. Keeping your questions simple and your colors consistent with your brand also helps it feel intentional. None of this changes the process. You're still using the same link, but it elevates the experience. Testing is as simple as opening the link in another tab or device to see exactly what your audience will see. If everything looks good, that same shareable link can be posted on your website, added to social profiles, included in emails, or sent directly to your audience. It works on desktop and mobile, so you don't need to do anything extra for different devices. And that's it. By copying and sharing your Typeform's public link, you've effectively created a simple landing page centered on action and clarity. It's fast, it's focused, and it gets the job done when all you need is a clean place for people to respond.